Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe. That way you'll never miss out on another video of mine again. So we are heading into a new moon, and this new moon is going to be in the sign of Taurus. And we also have activity from Venus, Uranus, however you want to say that, and Jupiter. And so that's very, very powerful. And we're going to get into a few ways that you can use this moon in your favor to manifest. And I'm telling you guys, these things work. And the more that you do it, the more that you work with these phases, life will change for the better. I just know it and I practice it. And so have you guys. A lot of you guys are my clients. You know it works. So today we're going to get into this moon phase. Of course, I have my notes here because I love taking notes. I love the act of writing. I love watching, I love the way I write. I love how writing makes me feel, which comes to, I actually wrote a book on Amazon. I have it linked down below. It's 30 ways to manifest, 30 spells for you guys that I have tried and tested. A lot of you guys have tried and tested. So yeah, you can find that down below. But okay, so we're having this new moon in Taurus and it's on May 7th. Okay, we're already into May. And we have, like I said, Venus and Jupiter and Uranus. You know what? In the 90s, I grew up when they were teaching us planets. The teachers said Uranus. Like Uranus. But now, I don't know if you can say that or not. And I do apologize if the lighting is kind of too bright. I'm trying to figure out the lighting in this area of my house. I started filming here, as you guys can see. Let me know. Is it too bright? Is it all right? This is a very, very potent and important time, though, to manifest materialistic things. Say you want a car, a house, you want a loan to go through, you want a relationship to, get healed or work out, something materialistic, things that you can see, taste, touch, smell, hear, all those things. Right now is the most perfect time to manifest that. Now, if you're interested, then keep on watching this video for some tips on how you can work this in your favor. The first way I want to teach you guys how to make this new moon work in your favor is by using bay leaves. This is one of the most powerful times that you can use bay leaves. With all these signs in Taurus, this is one of the most amazing times you can do this spell. So basically, it's easy. You guys have seen this if you guys have been on my channel for a while. You just take a bay leaf, and if you guys are interested in bay leaves like this, these are Indian bay leaves. I do sell them on my shop, and I also have kits where you get little oils. I have oud kit, I have protection, I have love, I have money, whatever you want. You get a little vial of oil with it too. So what you're going to do is you're going to write your intention. Say your intention is for money, right? And this is a time to get a little selfish and ask for something materialistic, because it's very powerful, you guys. And then all you do is you just burn your bay leaf. And what you're going to do, though, is whatever ash is remaining or left over, you're going to, by the way, I hope that you guys get money energy through the camera or through the video. But whatever ash is left over, you're just going to blow it out into the wind on the day or the night of this new moon, which is on May 7th. The second thing I want to talk about is mirrors. Venus is all about beauty, and Venus is right now in her home. Venus rules Taurus. And so the powerful energy about this is a lot about beauty and skin, hair, taking care of your body, materialistic things, luxury, beauty, charm, seduction. All of those things play a really key part in this new moon. So all the mirrors around your house, clean them, okay? And your windows, anything that's glass or that reflects something back to you or reflects something into your house, clean them. Now, I want to share with you something that I just recently purchased, and I am obsessed with it. I became so excited and so obsessed with it that I actually sent one to my mom too. And it's this. It's called Pinolin. I'm not sure, but they have a few different flavors like lavender, lemon, floral, but I got the pine scent. And this, do you guys see? It's like bigger than my head. And this was $3.79 on Amazon, and I paid for it. This is not sponsored, but hey, Pinolin. This smells so good. I don't even have to open the bottle. It smells like pine sol, like pine, right? And it's a degreaser, it's biodegradable, it deep cleans, deodorizes, and removes stains. And I was like, let me test this on my windows and my mirrors. Of course, you have to dilute it. So I brought you guys this sample right here that I do. That is so bright. Can you guys even see it? I have this empty bottle here, so I dilute it with water, and I'll put a little bit of this because it's really thick and you have to dilute it. So you can clean your floors with it. You can clean anything with it. You can even do laundry. It's so gentle that you can even do laundry with it. And I have done some laundry. Because I have 4 animals in my house, so I have to constantly be washing all of my carpets. So I've been washing the carpets with it. Oh my God. I don't think I'll ever go back to detergent again. First of all, the detergent, I'm so sensitive to chemicals. The detergent hurts my own skin, so I don't know what it possibly does to my animals, right? But I've been using this and it's really, really good. If you guys are interested, I will link it down below. But oh my God, I love this thing so much. But remember, you have to clean your windows and your glass doors and your mirrors around this time, because Venus is something that is luxury. Venus is kind of like a goddess. Like if you look at a goddess, she looks classical and elegant and put together and beautiful. And so when you look at yourself in the mirror, I want you to see that, but your mirror has to be clean, okay? I don't want no spider webs on top of your mirrors. I don't want there to be like splashes of your toothpaste on top of your mirrors. Keep your mirrors clean. Clean them. Before this full moon comes, clean them. The next thing I want to teach you guys is how to use another form of manifestation, specifically around this time when the Taurus energy and Venus energy is so strong, and with Jupiter too. Venus is luxury and materialistic and abundance and beauty and things like that. And then Jupiter is growth and increase and like just gain, right? So we also have Taurus, which is an earth sign. So it's like very like manifesting energy. So what you're going to need really quickly is you're going to need a brown paper bag. There's a specific reason why we're going to be using a brown paper bag. You're going to be ripping it into like a square or a rectangle like I have here, like a brown grocery bag. And the reason is it's because most of the time it's made from recycled material. So it's like more of a natural material. So we're going to be using that. We're going to need water right here. I have just a little bowl of water, however much water you're going to want, because what we're going to do is use this as a rinse. We're going to douse ourselves with this, and we're not going to wash it off until like the next time we take a shower. So as much as you want, right? We're going to need rose petals, red rose petals, and then we're going to need a little pinch of cinnamon, and of course, your handy dandy Sharpie. So what you're going to do, the key word for this moon phase and for Taurus specifically is I have, okay? So what you're going to do is write the word I have. And you're going to do this 4 times. I have, and then what your intention is. So I have money. And then you're going to do that 4 times, and you're going to write, because 4 is a very powerful number for this moon phase. So I have money. I have money. I'm just writing like a quick gist of it, but you can write, I have $100,000 in my checking account. I have a brand new SUV that I always wanted. I have like, but you have to write it 4 times on this paper, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're going to add your rose petals into this water. This is kind of lukewarm so that the essence comes out. And just a tiny pinch, because you are going to be using this as a rinse. Just a tiny pinch of cinnamon right there. And you're going to put this into that water on the way bottom. And you're gonna let it sit there and soak in the, well, when there's a new moon, there is no moonlight. It's a dark moon. So you're just gonna put this outside overnight, and the next day you're going to use this as a rinse, and then whatever is left over of this paper, you're going to roll it up towards you like that. And you're going to bury it in your front yard or your backyard or in a potted plant inside your house even. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below which one you're going to try, which one of these you're going to do. And I have a new product. I don't know if you can tell. These are up in my shop now. I don't know if you can see it. And I also have candles that are behind me right now that are available on my shop, and a bunch of new things coming. But you can also get my book on Amazon, and you can find me on Patreon, where I have a bunch of videos that you can't really get here on YouTube. And so, oh, and my Etsy shop. I think that's all the platforms I'm on for right now. But with that being said, happy new moon, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.